Hey fam! On today's video, we're going to be getting ready for bed by using Mielle Organics skincare line. Okay, so we're going to start off with the pomegranate and honey 2-in-1 scrub and cleanser. So it removes dirt while also exfoliating the skin. And that's something that we desperately need in the wintertime to kind of rejuvenate our skin and keep it moisturized. So you'll want to apply this in a circular motion and make sure your skin is damp before you apply it. We're going to rinse this off with warm water and then move on to step 2. Next, we're applying the pomegranate and honey hydrating face mask. It has charcoal powder and of course it's infused with honey, so it is super soft and creamy to the touch. And it comes with the cool little scooping thing to apply to your face. And somebody jacked up. I find it a little bit easier to apply it with a different method. So you can apply it either way you want. You can use a brush or you can use a scoop or you can use your hands. Either is fine as long as it's evenly spread throughout your face. Be sure to keep it on your face for at least 5 to 7 minutes so that you can get the best results. The third product we're using is the Revitalizing Face Serum from the Pomegranate and Honey line. And honey, this is giving me like Fountain of Youth serum, okay? It's super light and it also goes like a little bit, kind of goes a long way if you ask me. You literally only need like 2 or 3 drops. I think here I did 3. Okay, we're going to finish this routine off with the Illuminating Face Lotion, which is also a part of the Pomegranate and Honey collection. So even though we're off to bed, I use this because it is infused with shea butter and also honey, and I want my skin to be tight forever, okay? I do highly recommend that you use this daily because it also has the SPF 15 that protects your skin from the sun when you go out and about throughout your day. Thank y'all for watching my bedtime winter routine using all of Mielle Organic skincare products. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment below to let me know your bedtime routine for the winter. See you later.